linking the border security of the United States with the border security of Ukraine. You know, border security it's complicated because on the one hand you say, oh, we'll have more resources, we'll have more border security, but the people that are coming into the country illegally, Clay, they're flagging down border control. Yeah, I've seen this with my own eyes. It's not that it's early. I came early. Well, we were supposed to get out of it anyway. All right. Well, Clay, why don't we take a moment here?
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
And get your free quote at getethos.com.
If you can't afford